Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to yet another video. As always, if you enjoy our videos, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and make sure that you turn the notifications on. So whenever we upload a video, you get to know about it right away. Planning and Development Minister Asad Umar on Tuesday said people in the country were committing a collective blunder by recklessly ignoring all SOPs against coronavirus. The results of which have started to show in the form of increased deaths. Last week, daily COVID mortality rate was 12. This is a 140% increase versus few weeks back. He warned that if people continued to violate SOPs, we will both lose lives and livelihoods. Minister for Human Rights Shini Mazari agreed that people were not following SOPs. She said, sadly, people have stopped wearing masks in all public spaces, especially markets, offices, restaurants, etc. In a tweet, she said, it is an act of extreme selfishness not to wear masks, as you endangered not only yourself but also your family, associates, workers, and everyone you come into contact with. Deaths from the virus have risen sharply over the last week, with Punjab on Sunday reporting daily deaths in double digits for the very first time since July. 17 deaths were recorded across the country on October 17th, after more than a month of reporting less than 15 COVID-19 deaths. A day earlier, Prime Minister Imran Khan said he feared a second wave of COVID-19 in the upcoming months in cities where pollution levels are high. He said, I fear that in these 2 months, October and November, cities like Faisalabad, Lahore, Karachi, Peshawar and Gujranwala, where there is more pollution, there might be a second spike in the coronavirus cases. The cases are rising gradually and we hope that they don't increase quickly. We are monitoring it, he told participants at the Encouragement Award ceremony of Clean Green Index of 19 competing cities of Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Last week, Asad Umar had also urged the nation to take SOPs to stop the spread of the coronavirus seriously, once again in the face of a rising death rate. National positivity of COVID cases yesterday was 2.37%. This is the highest positivity rate in more than 50 days. This is the highest positivity rate in more than 50 days. The last time this level was seen was on August 23rd. He had also highlighted an increase in virus deaths. The average number of COVID deaths during the first 4 days of the week was 11 per day. This is highest since the week of August 10th, which are unmistakable signs of the rise of corona. The minister said that COVID positivity was extremely high in Muzaffarabad, remained high in Karachi and it is rising in Lahore and Islamabad. So now fears of a second wave have surfaced after certain parts of the country witnessed an uprising in cases in recent weeks. Health officials have warned of cases rising in Punjab, especially Lahore, while Sindh Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah has also highlighted an increase in Karachi's positivity rate. So please take care of yourself. As we said earlier in the video, do not stop observing the SOPs. Don't stop wearing the masks. If you're going out, wear the masks, use hand sanitizers. We have to keep the rate as low as possible so we can eliminate this virus. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.